In this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove contacts from lists on HubSpot. To do that, you first need to head over right here into your CRM and then locate the option called Segments. So click on this right here. Choose right here your segment, so head over and click on Edit. So you can review what the segment looks like and you can check the boxes that you wish to remove. As you can see, my segment is about all associated contact emails with values. So you can use manual removal as well as automated removal if it actually allows it. Now let's head back. Let's head over to our CRM and go over to your contacts. Now you can just choose right here the contact that you wish to edit and then make sure to remove them into the segment that we have earlier. So you can remove them directly into their name in here as well or into their details. So you can do this one by one or bulk. So that's all there is today. And if you have any questions, comment them down. And if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links in the description below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.